Peace and blessings, everyone. Just want to give you an update on my court proceedings. Well, I had court last Friday, and actually Friday before that, and I have court this Friday, and it's just being postponed or pushed back for different reasons. This time for my last one was because my lawyer, my new lawyer, I got to get a new one, and I had a lawyer for the pre-trial. Then they switch and give you a different lawyer, new lawyer, to take you to trial, which is sort of crazy, because then that new lawyer has to learn about you and start fresh. So she couldn't be there, and so she needed to postpone it till this coming Friday. And it's they're calling it a what is it? A trial readiness council. So I guess it's really figure out if my lawyer is ready to defend me in trial. And then I find out last Friday that they actually have a trial date set for next month. I forget the exact date, maybe in the middle. But it tripped me out, the fact that they have a trial set for maybe a month, in about a month. 30 days or a month. A month is long enough for my defender to be ready to defend me. A month, really. All that entails 30 days, or I keep saying 30 days, a month. And then being that I have a public defender who I'm sure has a desk stack full of current cases, that's just for me. That's the kind of system we have, right? That's the kind of justice we have to truly, fully defend somebody. I know I'm being provided it for free. I mean, but damn, if you don't give it to me, if you're saying it's provided for the benefit of the accused, then make it my benefit. Don't create a system that's flawed and jacked up, and then say, hey, at least you're getting it. I mean, that's just not just. I mean, these lawyers are overworked, and I wonder exactly how long they will give my lawyer to get my defense ready, and how much money they will allow. I mean, if they don't give the same, if they aren't afforded the same resources as one of these high-priced lawyers, then what's the point? It shouldn't take someone being a millionaire to be able to go out and afford good counsel, good representation. It shouldn't take that. It shouldn't be a money issue. If you're going to afford me a defense, then there shouldn't be any costs involved, and there shouldn't be any barriers involved. You should give me a full-out effort and fight to defend me if I'm innocent until proven guilty. I haven't even talked to my new lawyer. In fact, the time before that, they didn't even know who they were giving me yet. And so that was the Friday before that, and then last Friday she wasn't there, so I know who it is. And of course, I called her yesterday, left a message. Called her today, left a message. I'm betting that I won't speak to her until I see her Friday in court, and I'll be like, well, what's going on? And she's gonna come up to me and talk to me about an hour or two before it's time for us to go before the judge to whatever's going on. I mean, this is a system you allow to have in place. So, and then, boy, my son, these people, these people are supposed to be in charge. The children's service system, the legal system, they just have not done anything for the betterment of my son and his family. You know, they want to say what I did was wrong, but they have really put my son in a position where he is getting off the hook. You know, my wife is saying, because I'm still not at home, you know, they still not allowing me home. So in essence, you know, I've lost a right to all my children, in essence. I don't have any rights to my children. They stripped me of all my rights to my children. And somewhat to my wife. My children really a ward of the state right now, but they're allowed to be at home with my wife because I'm not really seen as the threat I'm gonna come in and do something to them, which I'm not. But they're keeping them, taking me to theirs until they have us going through all the necessary stuff for me to come back home. But meantime, I mean, my wife telling my son is just, he's getting to the point now where he is telling her what he is and isn't going to do. I mean, he's actually telling her. A child is telling an adult what they ain't going to do. And that's what we want. I mean, that's what I'm supposed to allow. And I'm supposed to allow my child to tell me what they are not going to do. I mean, that's what this is for. So I'm supposed to accept this and kick back and allow a child to tell me what they're going to do. So she's in a position where she can't really do much. You know, she can tell him what he needs to do, and he says he ain't going to do it. Then what can she do? She can't do nothing. She can't call the police on him. She can't kick him out the house. Because you know, kid ain't allowed to be put out the house till they're 18. She can't forcefully do nothing to him. It's child abuse. So what kind of position are they putting us in? I don't get it. And of course I can't say nothing. I can't say a damn thing. Sit back and watch him abuse her. It's fucked up. So that's it. Like I said, after this coming up court day on Friday, I'll let you know and see how it goes. You know, my plan is I want to record everything. I want to record all my conversations with my lawyer. I want to record my trial. I doubt they let me videotape it, but I just want to audio record it, and then I want to upload it to YouTube so I can hear what goes on and let you be aware of how our system works and what happens. God bless. Peace and love.